The Yuchengco Museum has held many exhibits honoring the life and legacy of Jose Rizal. And this tradition carries on to this day, with a refreshed Buhay Rizal exhibit reopening on the museum's 4th floor. It is our goal to keep the spirit of Dr. Rizal's nationalism and love for the Filipino people alive within a new generation of students, advocates, and nation builders. It is because of YGC's socio-cultural commitment that I'm happy to announce an exciting partnership between the Yuchengco Museum and the Mapua University. I'd like to invite everyone present today the launch of Rizal 2.0, Pagmulat, Pagtugon sa tawag ng maging isang bayani, a social civic engagement initiative that seeks to reintroduce Rizal's ideals to a new generation of Filipinos. It will be held on June 19, Friday, at 4:45 p.m. here at the Yuchengco Museum in celebration of Dr. Jose Rizal's 165th birth anniversary. Our program will feature notable speakers who will offer fresh insights into Rizal's life and the continuing relevance of his work in today's society. This initiative will also feature a year-long series of immersive learning experiences, curated heritage tours, community development projects, and more. And we look forward to seeing you again this Friday, so please come for the launch of Rizal 2.0. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of today's ceremony.